Good morning, welcome back, and we got another ham we're gonna do today. The one I did the other day was a spiral sliced. It turned out awesome, but I wanted to do one that wasn't sliced already. So what we got here is a shank portion ham. It's 12.28 pounds, and we're gonna cook her up on the Weber Smoky Mountain over some hickory and Blue Bag Original Kingsford. So besides that, I'm going to put a rub on the outside of this, and I'll pick up when I do that. Okay, we're back. I got her all rubbed down. What we did today was put a binder on it. We used this sandwich pale jalapeno mustard. Maybe it'll get a little heat. I doubt it will. And then for the rub, we're going to use the same rub as I used on another ham I did. We're going to use this Lambert's Sweet Rub O' Mine. Not going to sing it this time, or maybe... No, I'm not going to sing it. But besides that, this thing's good to go. Weber Smoky Mountain is coming up to temp. We're going to be cooking at 225 today, and I'll pick back up once I get her thrown on. So we'll see you in a little bit. Down at the Weber Smoky Mountain, just threw the ham on, and I'll give you a look. There she be. Wait for the smoke to clear. Like I said, we are using some hickory today. And yeah, got a water pan in there lined with some tin foil. And I got nothing else. CyberQ Cloud is set to 225. I'm guessing for this 12.3 pound ham, oh, I don't know, this is going to probably take all of 6 to 7 hours, I'm going to guess. But I'll check in probably in about 3 hours or so and just give you an update. So see you. Alrighty, so we are 4 hours in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ham. Yep, looking like a ham. See, we got a temp sensor in it. Temperature right now is at 127.6. Going to take us up to, I don't remember, it's either 140 or 145. But either way, we'll pick back up one more time when this is all cut up and plated up in time to eat and do a little taste test. So we'll see you then. Alrighty, so we are back. We got the ham all nice and cut up. I am not a professional ham slicer. I just watched a couple YouTube videos, and I kind of sort of did a bad job. But you can see I got the meal all plated up right in front of you. Got a couple rolls, some mashed potatoes, some ham. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. And obviously I've already gave this a shot multiple times. But yeah, you can really, putting a little bit of a rub on the outside of the ham is not necessarily a bad idea. Just don't do a super salty rub because the ham is already salty enough. Cook time today was 225 for about 7 hours. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and eat. Hope this video helped everybody out, and see you next time.